Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the battery. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got two options connected with the battery percentage. In my case, I've got the battery percentage applied, so I've got this switcher turned on. If you've got it turned off, simply tap on it, and your device will display the percentage of the battery inside the battery icon. If you'd like to have it more visible than in this configuration, simply tap on this switcher at the bottom, which is battery percentage is displayed outside the battery icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, it is much more visible. So it's of course up to you which style you prefer to use. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on those switchers again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.